This is a video to show how to properly wash off dishes before placing them into the dishwasher. Step 1. Put all dirty dishes to one side of the sink. Step 2. Put in the drain stopper. Step 3. Turn on the warm water. Step 4. Put soap into the sink, but only about the size of a nickel. Step 5. Turn off the water. Step 6. Place dirty dishes back into the side with the water. Step 7. Dip the sponge into the soapy water. Step 8. Scrub dishes with the sponge. Step 9. Rinse soap off the dish. Step 10. Place the dish into the dishwasher. Step 11. Check to see if you have any more dishes. If there are more, repeat steps 1 through 9. If there are not, continue on with these steps. Step 12. Take the drain stopper out. Step 13. Drain the water. Step 14. Wipe out the sink with a sponge. Step 15. Throw away food that was caught into the drain stopper. Step 16. Rinse the sponge clean. Step 17. You are finished until you have more dirty dishes.